I'm Kathy, and for this year, ano yung intention ko? Magkaroon ng bagong visa sa passport.
Yay!
Yay!
I'm cool. Ano ko po this year is maging more intentional sa mga choices ko. Tsaka susubukan kong i-manage yung privilege at tsaka yung blessings ko better for my family.
I'm Janine, and my intentions for this year are focus on myself more, connect with the people I love, then third, meaningful travels. Yun, mas gusto kong maging intentional pa sa mga pupuntahan kong places, like sa mga Rio or kung saan na. Yun lang.
Hi, I'm Stel, and for this year, simple lang na. Wait, sumiyak. Hindi ko na kasi nagano mag-alalalim nung inyo ko. Pero yung sa akin lang is, paglaylo lang muna sa gastos kasi kailangan isang revelation.
Hi, I'm Marna. So, my intention for this year is to have more blessings for me and my family. And then, more gala na that are meaningful, and then hobbies that are value-added. Thank you.
Hey.
Hi. I'm Francis, and my intention for this year is to be better. To be better as a person, as a friend, as a family member, as a co-worker.
Hi, I'm Juan. So for this year, I choose to prioritize my health. Hindi na mag-skip ng doctor sa pag.
Yay!
I'm my intentions for this year are healthier relationships with family, workmates, friends, and someone. Time management. Then, consistent po sana sa workouts. Then, more travels and to be happy.
I'm Mia, and my intentions for year 2026 is, first of all, I want to be genuinely happy and have a healthier and fit body din po, and be more financially responsible to achieve my long-term goals, and to have a solid and practical travel. Go for Tono!
My intentions for this year are to learn to establish boundaries and learn to say no, and to always show up at all times. And also, more blessings and more travels ako. And sana magkaroon ng kung lots of ways.
I am Justin. So, ang intention ko po this year is makapag-travel out of country. Kasama na po yung
Hi, I'm Silka. This year, I want to learn to forgive myself and be a stronger, independent, and grateful kid. Hello, I'm Kay. This year, my intention is moving out of my comfort zone and into independence, trust myself fully and make decisions with confidence, and do things that I want.
Isipin natin, pinaplant natin yan, and sana, mas pa siya, and mas mahigatan pa yung intentions natin. Amen! Amen! Amen!